Do you want to learn about one of the top online jobs? Do you want to get the best online job? Fortunately, there are several high-paying internet occupations accessible in today's world. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Entrepreneur League. Today, I'll talk about what kinds of work are excellent for online learning. Work-from-home possibilities that allow you to work for someone else, or even establish your own business, are among the top internet careers. And certainly, many individuals make a living working from home through internet employment. This video is for you if you want to start generating additional money or find a new career path that allows you to work from home. The following traits should be present in the finest online work. You should be able to work from home if possible. You may be able to work with a more flexible schedule as well. You should also be able to travel on a more regular basis, if not full-time. There is no need to be concerned about work-from-home job scams, because all of the greatest online jobs on today's list are real occupations, career routes, or company ideas. They will, as usual, need your time and effort. Earn money online by being a virtual assistant. This is one of the most advertised internet employment opportunities. Because of the internet, we can not only do more daily duties online, but more and more individuals are working from home in industries such as blogging, social media, and so on. This implies that there are more virtual assistant positions becoming available, making it one of the greatest online occupations available today. Social media management, article formatting and editing, appointment or trip scheduling, email management, and other responsibilities may be assigned to a virtual assistant. You may basically get paid to execute any activity that is required in someone's business but does not have to be done by them. Use Pinterest to make money as a home-based internet job. To follow up on the prior job, I'd want to talk about how you can become a Pinterest virtual assistant. This might be some of your greatest internet work, particularly if you like Pinterest. This is where you assist businesses in increasing their Pinterest reach. It might be as follows: assisting business owners in setting up their Pinterest account, scheduling pins to ensure consistency, and more. One of the finest genuine work-from-home jobs is starting a blog. My favorite internet job is, of course, blogging. It will allow you to travel full-time, work from home, have a flexible schedule, generate largely passive income, and do a variety of other things. Blogging may change your life by allowing you to earn thousands of dollars every month through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, blog entries, and other methods, all while doing something you like. Blogging is also a reasonably affordable way to get started, as all you really need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. I usually advocate creating a blog about something you are passionate about, are an expert on, love, or something along those lines if you want to become a full-time blogger. By doing so, you may ensure that blogging remains pleasurable rather than a job. You can write on a range of topics or concentrate on one. Any topic, however, will work, and any topic may generate money through blogging. Assist local companies with online job postings on Facebook. Did you know you can make money on Facebook? Using Facebook advertising, you may help businesses extend their reach. And yes, this is a talent you can master, as well as one of many fantastic career options accessible online. Last year, businesses spent more than $88 million each day on Facebook advertising. Digital marketers on Facebook have a huge market, and this is definitely a skill that anyone can learn. If you're searching for a new business endeavor or a side hustle, knowing how to generate money by running Facebook advertisements for local companies might be an option. Social media management, article formatting and editing, appointment or trip scheduling, email management, and other responsibilities may be assigned to a virtual assistant. You may basically get paid to execute any activity that is required in someone's business, but does not have to be done by them. Look for online tutoring jobs. How about working as an online tutor as a flexible side hustle? Course Hero is a website for high school and college students that answers course-specific questions. Students use the Course Hero website to connect with tutors for a wide range of classes and courses. This is a great way for people with a wide range of educational backgrounds and skills to make extra money. Without a doubt, Hero tutors earn an average of $3 per question answered. Without a doubt, Hero teachers earn an average of $300 per week, with hourly rates ranging from $12 to $20. This is an excellent hourly rate. Earn money online as a virtual assistant. This is one of the most popular online career alternatives. Because of the internet, we can not only do more daily duties online, but more and more individuals are working from home in industries such as blogging, social media, and so on. This means that more jobs as a virtual assistant are opening up, making it one of the best online jobs you can get right now. Start your own online store for the finest online jobs. Yes, you can start your own internet business, and you don't need much expertise or money to do so. Many individuals begin with little experience, so if this is one of the high-paying online professions that interests you, you should absolutely investigate it. Because there are no degree requirements, I've also heard of a lot of students who have successfully founded e-commerce enterprises. It's also one of the best online jobs for students because you can work 5 to 10 hours per week and don't have to store the items you sell. Begin a freelance writing career for work-from-home options. Working as a freelance writer is one of the most popular employment choices these days, owing to the growing number of freelance writing tasks available. This is currently one of the most in-demand remote jobs. A freelance writer is someone who writes for a range of customers, such as websites, blogs, and magazines. They work for themselves and outsource their writing rather than for a single firm. If you want to try your hand at online content production or make millions through affiliate marketing, you'll need a blog. You can begin a writing career without one, but it will be a lot simpler. Personally, I've found that blogging and freelance writing complement one another in the sense that you can utilize one to grow the other. Earn money by teaching English online. Online teaching careers are becoming increasingly popular. For many individuals, this is the perfect job to work from home. Learning how to teach English online is becoming increasingly popular, making it one of the finest online jobs from home for a multitude of reasons, including the fact that it is flexible, in high demand, and pays well. You do not need to be a teacher to learn how to teach English online. You also do not need to be fluent in more than one language. English is all you need. Of course, you'll also need access to the internet, and in many circumstances, a bachelor's degree, though this can be in any major. There is no prerequisite for previous teaching experience. Because of these qualities, online English teaching is an excellent side, hustle, or online profession for practically everyone. The hourly rate for online English instruction varies, but it is normally between $14 and $22 per hour. Because teaching English online is a popular side job, there are numerous wonderful firms that allow you to do so. My top 3 picks are ones that my readers have suggested to me and that I have personally researched. VIP Kid, Q Kids, and Education First are a few examples. This finishes the video for today. If you are seeking online jobs that enable you to work from home with no experience, many of the occupations covered in the video allow you to start and learn as you go. These are some of the top full-time and part-time internet jobs from home. You must just decide what is best for you. Please share your opinions in the comments area if you enjoyed the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.